Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide like and share accounts on your Instagram posts and also Reels. Whether you want to hide accounts on your new posts or remove them from your old ones, here I'm going to show you through the settings step by step. So the first one, I'm going to show you how you can hide likes before you hit share. So let's say I want to post a photo on Instagram. Let's say I want to post this photos right here. I'm gonna just click on next and next again. So in here, before you click on share, if you want to hide likes and share, you can just scroll down and click on the more options, and you just need to enable this one, hide like count on this post, like this. And also you can hide the share count on this one, so just turn it on before you share your Instagram post like this. But if you want to hide counts on your old post or existing post, you can just here go to your profile and then choose the post that you want to hide its like and share. For example, I'm going to hide on this one. You can just click on the three dots icon on the post, and there will be this option to hide like counts and also hide share counts. So just click on that options and it will be applied automatically. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.